So let's configure VTP. So VTP is going to be configured on this switch. So VTP. So enable config, then VTP more server VTP domain Firanmit.com Firanmit.com. Then uh, then this is server. So VTP mode is server. So from this VTP from this VTP server switch, other switches are going to get uh, VTP configuration like VLAN, domain name like that. They are going to be distributed for other switches like these switches. So they are going to be uh, VTP mode client, and then going to get the VLAN names and the VLAN number from this VTP server switch. So let enable VLAN. Okay, let's create VLAN. So VLAN 10 name Firanmit, not Firanmit IT X VLAN 20 name staff X VLAN 30 name student X VLAN 40 name then Firanmit. So Firanmit is my name. Firanmit, yeah. Then X. Then after that, it's enough. So making this all interface trunk is also one work. So one up to four are this interface. So interface range fast ethernet 0, 1 to 4 switchport more than trunk. The switchport trunk encapsulation is not possible. I think it is Cisco packet tracer. So alloyed VLAN what? VLAN 10, 20, 13, 40. Then we'll shut it down, I think. So it's enough. So let's come here and then create. I think this interface is VLAN faster 01. Faster 01. Sorry. Mhm. Yeah. So let's come here and then make this switch VTP mode client. Enable config then VTP mode then client VTP. Let let check whether or not VLAN is transferred. Before that config then interface range Ethernet 0, 1 to 2 switchboard mode and trunk. Let's check trunk. Yeah, it's changed to trunk, I think. What is port? 1. What is port also? It's also 2. So our configuration is correct. So switchboard mode trunk. Then X. Then with range faster net 0, 1 to 2 down. Solid change. Solid check whether or not VLANs are created by that server VTP server, so show VLAN brief. So guys, it has created, so VLANs are created here by that VTP server. So as you can see, we are not configured VTP on this, but this one is client, this one is server. Because of that, and as this router, this interface is a trunk interface, so VLANs is transferred from this switch to this one. So it's very nice. So let's configure this as well. uh, this one is also has to be configured. So enable config interface range master name 01 to 2 switch port mode trunk no cut down, then VTP mode client. VTP mode transparent also has to be enabled because the other switch is also going to have VTP information. So VTP mode transparent. So VTP mode client. Yeah, let's check. Show VLAN brief. So this also created. So let's say another show VTP status. So VTP is now enabled, and the domain name is firanmit.com. So everything is nice here. So let's come here and check this another switch as well. So why is this? Oh, that's CTP issue. So enable config config. So interface. I think this interface are not one and the two. Yeah, they're actually one and the two. One and the two. The others are three, four, five, six, seven. So let's disable this because it's going to be something frustrating. So and yeah, let enable VTP mode as well here. So VTP mode, VTP mode client, VTP mode client, let and show VLAN brief. So guys, it is created. Nothing issues needed here. So this one interface is F01, F02, F03, F04, and let's come here and make this all switches. So this is fast Ethernet 03, fast Ethernet 04. Let's check it. I'm sure because just to show you, this one is this one is 03, 04, 05, 06 until 09. So let's disable it. I don't need to uh, see it. So if this one is config. Yeah, this switch we are going to make this all interfaces accesses because it's going to connect it to this end device, not trunk port. It is going to be the access rather than trunk port. So to do that, we have to configure some configuration. So interface range fasternet 01 to 9, 01 to 9, 0 not 1 to 9, actually 3 to 9. 3 to 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's this interface name? Why this is looks like green, red? Let me delete this. Change device. It is corrupted, guys. So F10. So now it's nice. So interface range faster 0, 1 to 9, 10, 3 to 9, support mode access, support mode access, no shutdown, no shutdown. Then let's check one by one, let's configure one by one. So guys, just to show you, uh, so interface 3 and 4 is connected to VLAN what? VLAN 10. So we have to say VLAN 10. So interface range Ethernet 0, 0, 3 to 4. Switch port mode access is actually configured, sorry. So switch port access VLAN 10 X. Then interface Ethernet 0, 0, 0, 5 and 6. Interface range panel switchboard mode access is configured, switchboard access VLAN VLAN what? VLAN 20. It's like, yeah. So VLAN 20 no shutdown X. Interface fast range is being forgetting the time, money in the money. So interface fast Ethernet interface range fast Ethernet 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7 up to 8. 7 up to 8. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30 X. The interface range fast Ethernet 0, 9 up to 10. Switch port access VLAN what? VLAN 40. No shutdown X. Then guys, we have finished this configuration. So what's left is we have to enable SCTP. So SCTP has to be enabled. Actually, there's no Ether channel here. Sorry. So only SCTP is going to be enabled. So SCTP. So on this, let's configure SCTP quickly. So SCTP has to be configured quickly. So SCTP spanning tree VLAN uh, VLAN route priority 0, priority 0. This one is priority 0. Then this one is for VLAN 10. Let's say this one for VLAN 20. Route for VLAN 20. Route for VLAN 20. SCTP route for VLAN 20. So conf t, then spanning tree VLAN 20, then priority 0. Priority 0 means it's going to never change. So even if the larger PBDUs comes, then it is never stops. So let's configure this one also with spanning tree VLAN 30, then priority 0. So it is enough. Okay, let's come here. Confetti, spanning tree, VLAN 40, priority 0. So guys, we have finished the configuring SCTP. So the only left is, guys, we have to check now. Let's check once. So and show spanning tree. So there are 4 VLANs. So this one is just root for what? root for only VLAN 10. So let's check VLAN 10 whether or not it is root. So for VLAN 10, yeah, this one is root, but for others, not, it is not root. So let's check for VLAN 20. This one is root for VLAN 20. So let's check for and show spanning tree. So this one has to be root for VLAN 20. Uh, so this VLAN 20. Yeah, this one is root for VLAN 20. Let's check one more. This one is actually VLAN 40, I think. Let's check spanning tree. That's VLAN 40. So show spanning tree. So spanning it. Let's check 40. It has to be root bridge for VLAN 40. Yeah, it's actually here. So it's great. So the only left is configuring DHCP service for any devices. So let's configure DHCP service for this indie device. As as you can see, this device can't get hyperrest dynamically. This is impossible. I think I have enabled DHCP service. So I think guys, I have enabled DHCP service on this router. So uh, let me show you how to enable DHCP service on this uh, quantity. So DHCP service like IP DHCP pool is 10, the network 192.168, 10, 0, 255.255.255.255.0. Then default router is 192. Default router has to be the virtual router's interface ID or interface, interface IP address of the virtual router. So IP address of the virtual router of VLAN 10 is 192.168, 10 in the 100, 10, 100. So this is that. So guys, I have enabled that. Just I've been configuring that on this one. My DHCP pool. Yeah, this one is just what I have been enabled this. So as you can see, for VLAN 10, for VLAN 10, I have enabled this one. Let's copy this one, just and paste there. Let's copy this one and paste on this. So guys, it is configured, but just to show you. Then when you paste that on here, it's going to have enabled. Yeah, it is going to have a DHCP pool. So guys, if you check this all interface, it is going to have what IP address dynamically so successfully. The default gateway is the virtual router interface. So you can check this one as well. So dynamically this configured. So this good. So the only left is the only left thing is we have to configure uh, this this redundant interface of router. So let erase. I think I have configured. Let erase startup config, reload, then reload. It's reloading. So nothing configuration will be found on this on this interface. So until that, let's configure this interface. So this interface is what? This interface is I think I think serial 0. Yeah, it is serial 010. So let's configure it. So config serial interface serial what 0 0 1 0 IP address 111.255.255.252 shutdown. So guys, it has finished. I think this one is also finished. So I'm going to guys configure the only for only VLAN these VLANs. So for only that VLANs. So I have to configure this F0 serial. So to trunk port, it has to be trunk port. It has to be conf it is already I am in global configuration mode. Interface fast Ethernet 04 support mode trunk. Get down. Okay, no problem. So let's come here and configure BTP configure the sub interface of this router. Sub interface of this router S01 S010 S010. So S010 is this one. Let me configure only uh, uh, for VLAN 10 half to 10 up to 40, then enable config, then let me copy from this. Okay, creating DHCP pool for yeah, yeah, it's almost the same. Let's copy this one. Let's copy this one and then paste here. Then find. Let's configure sub interface. So sub interface also configured here. So I think it is gig 0. What is this interface? Gig 00. So gig 00, gig 00. Okay, this one. So actually I can write, but to save our time, what I have done is this one, guys. So okay, okay. Hmm. So for VLAN 40, it has done. So I'll have to change priority to 30. To 30. This is 30 is good. It's no problem, but I have to change the priority to 30 and hyperraise to this one to 100, 10 actually. So 10 30 this is previously 31, and then now I have changed it to 30 10. Then this one 40 40, then priority has to be 40, and then this one has to be 10 So actually this is no problem. Let's change this one to 20 because for VLAN 30 the 40 it has done. The dot 10 is no problem. So this one to 10, this one to 30. Just I'm configuring redundant router, so I have to just change the priority and then IP address of that interface. I don't have to change the interface of virtual router. So IP address of virtual router has not to be changed. So it has to be constant for both router. So this is just enough. So let's test one. Then for VLAN 10, for VLAN 10, this one has to be 10. This one has to be 10. Yeah, this one has to be 10. Priority has to be 30 for VLAN 20, I think. This one should be 20, if 20, already 20, standby 20, yeah. So everything is fine, I think. So the only left is for this one. This one has to be dot 30. It has to be dot 10, then 10, 10. Yeah, now it's good. It has to be 10, it has to be 10, it has to be 2, it has to be 2, 2. So 2, 2, 2, 20. I think this 20, this one has to be 20. Sorry. So 20, 20, 20. Now it is good. 40, 40, 40. It is good. 30, 30, 30, 30 is good, guys. So let's copy this one to that router. So let's come to this router and then paste this one to this. So everything is Arif. So what's wrong? Nothing is wrong, I think. So the only error is this one. So on what interface? The encapsulation dot 30. So nothing is error. And no standby brief. So active is already 30. Shut down IP standby already 10, 10, 20, 20, 20. So nothing is wrong, I think, guys. Uh, Interface gigabit Ethernet 0040 is right. It's right. It's right. So what's wrong? It's wrong. This gigabit 000. No shutdown. No shutdown. X. Let's paste it again. This one is good. This one is good. 40 is also good. 30 is good. Other is nothing. So and show standby brief. So others are now converting to standby and active. Show standby brief. So now everything is going nice. So let's check, guys. Let's check this interface. So let's check this device. This going to have uh, IP address. But the only issue, guys, here is the only thing you have to understand here is, for example, if this interface is down, what is going to be built? When this interface is down, nothing will happen, and then we can connect still to the internet thanks to standby routing protocol. So because of we have enabled standby routing protocol, even if this interface is down, we can contact internet through this uh, interface because we have redundant router. So even if these both routers are disabled, so for now we have nothing. But if we have more than two router, still we can contact to internet by redundant routers. So redundant routers is used to connect internet if one interface fails and the others is still working fine using this standby routing protocol. So let's disable this interface and then test what will be happen. So X, then interface gig 0 0 0 shutdown. Shutdown. This one is converted to red. That means it's not working. So let's check whether or not our edge device are getting IP address. So let's check, let's check. So what's wrong? What's wrong, guys? Let's check this one. Actually, something issue maybe. Yeah, this is working, guys. So let's check this one. Let's check this one. There may be some issue because of that configuration. Let's check this one. Yeah, actually it is working. So the only thing what I need you to know is now this interface is down. So how can we get dynamic DHCP service from this router? Is just we have connected to this router through this cable, so that we can contact to this router and then get the IP address from this router. So nothing issue will happen if this interface is down. So let interface then not shut down. So now everything is fine. Let's check standby, show standby brief. So these are just the active interfaces. So this is standby router, the interface which we have configured in this interface. So the active router is local router. So active is local. So the local router is just active. So also show standby brief. So now the active one is the local. So standby is the other end router or this router. So the only thing which now uh, we left with is now we can configure this interface. So we have to configure this interface serial 01 0 serial 010 serial 0. So let's take here. So serial 0 0 0 1 0. So serial 0 1 0. So serial 0 1 0. Let's configure IP address for serial 1 0 1 0. So conf t serial interface serial 0 1 0 IP address 2 2 2 2 255.255.0 shutdown. Next, what is this interface? What is this interface? serial 011. So enable with conf config interface serial 011 serial 011 serial is 22221 255.252 then note it down. Then guys we can do ping 2222. Yeah, it's working. 221 is also working. So it's fine. So let's configure open this interface also. What is this interface name? Serial 010. So serial for serial 010 interface serial 010 IP address 111.255.255.255.2552 no shutdown X. Then let's come here. What is this interface? This interface 010 interface serial 010 IP address 111.255.255.255.252 no shutdown. Then do ping 111 wait seven 112. So it's working 111. It's also working. So the only left is configuring this part, this interface, serial 020, serial 020, serial X, serial, no, 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 no. Interface, serial 020, IP address 111.209.200.205.255.255.252 no shutdown X. Then we have finished guys. Let's test whether or not we can ping from this one to actually let's configure the loopback interface on this ICP router. I think I have configured that. Enable config interface loopback 1 IP address 778.255.255.255.0 no shutdown. So ping 111. Let me okay. Let me erase this one. Erase startup config because I need to show you from scratch. I need to show you the one from scratch. So this one is configured first until it has finished that reloading so erasing. Let me configure OSPF here. So OSPF1 router OSPF1 then network. I have many networks here. So network 192.168.10.0 then wildcard number 255 then area 0 then I have to change only this one to 2 area 0. I have to change this one only to 3 area 0. I have to change this one to 4 area 0. These are router interface. These are router sub interfaces. So the only other left is this one. This one. Then that's 1111. Only very simple guy. So network another area 0 is the same. So 1110 000 is just the other one in this interface. So let's configure here as well. I think it's not this much uh, required. So let's come here and then configure this on this also OSPF one is also. So router OSPF1, then network 111.0.0.0.0 Siri area 0 then other network keys what other network keys 255 not 2520 okay other network 209.200.137.0 then 0 dot Siri area 0 okay nice so this network is also there 2220 network 222.0.0.0 series. This one is wildcard number, so area 0. Area 0. So nice. Everything is fine. So let's come here in the configure this interface of ISP router. So no enable conf conf t then host name ISP then interface. What is this interface? What is the name of this interface? Serial what? Serial 010. So serial 010 IP address 209.200.137 then 1 255 252 but down X do ping 209.200.1372 it's working ping 237 that's working one is also working so fine so everything is fine so let's ping from this one to that 88 ping 8888 destination unreachable so let ping 111111 yeah, it's possible 111 means this one guys 111 means this one this interface so to configure to enable this IT device to connect to this internet router or ISP router we have to configure NAT this on this router so let's configure NAT so configuring NAT is very interesting so configuring NAT is my interesting guys so first let's create a pool of NAT so IP NAT pool what's pool name Megersa then start IP 109.10200.137 and then 10 what's the end IP 209.200.137 and 20 I have my bad 29200 yeah everything is nice then what's wrong what's then net mask 255 I think it's nice so let's create IP access list IP access list standard Firanmit, then permit any X, then let create IP NAT, then IP NAT inside source list, list is Firanmit this one, then pool is then pool name, then pool name is Megersa, Megersa is this one, Megersa, then I have finished. So I cannot insert source list parameter pool Megersa. Then the only left is configuring inside and outside interface. So inside and outside interface has to also be configured. So let's see the inside and outside source. Uh, yeah. So interface. Okay. So interface serial 010. I think 010. Serial 010 IP NAT inside X. Interface serial 011 IP NAT is also inside X. Interface serial 002 0, then IP NAT, then outside.